Previous lecture we have discussed about the interface and how we can delete the objects and about the layer section. Okay, so in this lecture we are going forward. Okay,
Wait a minute.
so I'm going to click over the screen, then this flash screen will disappear. So in this view, so how I can rotate in this view. Okay, so first of all, if you are using computer, I mean desktop, it means it is totally fine. And if you have a numpad keypad or without numpad keypad, I'm going to first of all cover all those settings. If you are when you get satisfied from that one thing, then actually some of the settings different for the those keyboards that have there is no any keypad system. Okay, like small keyboard. So I am going to cover that one thing, I'm going to show you the keyboard that having a numpad. Okay, keyboard keyboards. Okay, here you will find these type of keyboards. If you have numpad keys, then I'm going to suggest you settings about that one thing. If you have don't have any keyboard like that one, or having a small keyboard having no keypad, so I'm also going to tell you about that setting. Okay, so first of all we are going to setting these keys. So press on edit and go to in preferences. In preferences tab, you will find there is multiple options. Okay, so we come into the input section and you will find immediate numpad. If you don't have keyboard like that numpad keys, then you have to enable this one. Whenever you enable this one thing, you will interact means front view or orthographic view or top view or side view. You can easily navigate that one thing. If I press one from my keyboard numpad keyboard, then it will bring me in a front view. Okay, so in front view I can see the object. If I press three button, okay, I'm also going to enable the keys section so that you can view the keys which I press. Okay, here I'm going to start shortcut. I will also talk about that one setting, how to import this and shows the keys. So here I have also installed the add-on for this so that you can easily understand that what type of keys I am pressing here. Okay, so I'm shifting this to the left. Here you will find a left mouse button. I have pressed left mouse button two times. Here I have pressed left right button two times. So it will tell you that what I am inputting to the computer. Okay, so back to the topic. Come to the edit and preferences. If you have numpad, then it's fine. If you have no numpad keyboard, then you need to check it and save preferences. Okay, so I have a numpad keyboard, so I'm going to leave it. Okay, now I'm going to uh, emulate three button mouse. What does it mean? If you know about the scrolling third button in the mouse, so we know about that one thing, that we have to navigate the orthographic view. So I'm now in the front view, so I want to rotate from orthographic view. Okay, so I have already checked this button three emulate three button mouse. So I'm going to press alt and left click mouse. When I press that one thing, then I can when I'm I'm viewing the 3D space. So in this tutorial I'm covering about the views, front views, top view and side view. So whenever I'm going to navigate like this, then I'm pressing shift alt and right mouse. Okay, oh, left mouse. Okay, when I press all these three buttons at time, then I can navigate like this screen. Okay, so I'm pressing now alt and left mouse button, and I'm viewing the object in 3D space from orthography view from all around. Okay, whatever you want to see, you can check it. Okay, whenever I press I'm scrolling, I can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, from the scroll button. Okay, that's are the minor things which we need to practice in um, our practices. Whenever we are going to model any object, we need these type of keys. Okay, so hopefully it will make you help to rotate and view your model properly. So in next lecture we will cover something that we can interact, edit, or something like that. Okay, so if you have other difficulties, like as I told you, that if you have not a numpad keyboard or whatever, then one another tip I am going to tell you about, that one thing, that you need to press tilde button. Tilde, when you press tilde button in your keyboard, you will find out I'm pressing the tilde button and I found the top, back, right, and so on views. So I'm going to in front views. When I drag over the front left it the key, then I am in a front view. Okay, so I'm again pressing the tilde button, and I am also going to uh, top view. Okay, so I'm now in top view. You can also check, there is the 8 for the top, 9 for the bake, and 6. These keys are for the numpad. Okay, so now I'm going to edit this cube. So now I'm going to in front view, I'm going to press 1 from numpad 1, and I'm now in front view, and here is the camera, here is the light, wherever we render it. So now I'm selecting the cube and pressing the tab button from the keyboard. When you press tab keys, you will in the edit mode, and now you can see that there is a edge and faces of the model, and you can also find these settings from here. I'm also pressing tab here. Again, I have pressed the tab, so I'm also going to press again tab, and I'm going to select the edges of the model. Here I can edges, selected the edges. Now I'm going to click on move button. Here is a giz mode for that one thing. I can play with this giz mode, and I can move this object from right to left, or up and down. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to press control Z, so it undo the object. Now I'm again going to in vertex mode. Okay, I'm going to vertex mode, and I have selected the vertex. Okay, here are the vertexes, and here is the face. When I click on the faces there, all these things you can also operate from the keyboard, like shortcut keys. If you play with the shortcut keys, you will be habitual to make it quickly, things quickly. Okay, for example, I'm pressing one from the keyboard, and it will give us the option in the vertex mode. And if I press 2, it will also come into the edge mode. And if I press the 3 from keyboard, it will bring to me in a face selected. Okay, face mode. Okay, so I can select a face and drag like that one thing. Okay, in next lecture we will create something, and we will learn about some more tools. Thank you so much.